The Area 2 police are reporting an increase in robberies and aggravated assault. The leadership of the division held a press conference on Wednesday where they also announced the 6 most wanted men. The Area 2 Police Division, comprising the parishes of St. Anne, St. Mary and Portland. Between January 1 and August 17 this year, 48 murders were reported, representing a 7% decrease when compared to the same period last year. Rape is also down by 22%. 348 major crimes have been reported since the start of the year.
The area is presently experiencing a 6% reduction in serious and violent crimes. All categories of crimes are showing decreases, with the exception, ladies and gentlemen, of robberies and aggravated assaults.
Robberies are up 46% when compared to the corresponding period last year, and aggravated assault 16%.
We intend to expand our investigative capacity by upskilling our members and conduct regular case reviews. We intend to review and revamp our deployment strategies.
While the Area 2 Police revamps the strategy, help is needed from the public to capture the 6 most wanted criminals. Heading that list is Brian Forbes, otherwise called QQ, from Claremont St. Anne, who is wanted for a double murder. O'Shane Jackson, otherwise called Dio or Rawfish from Parrytown St. Anne, is also wanted for murder. Also in that category, Albert Dyer, otherwise called Mojo from Douglas Castle. The Area 2 Police also want to find a man called Chappie, but his given name is Clive Green and he's from St. Mary. Mikey Boyd, also known as Bucko from St. Mary, is also wanted. And from Portland, a man called Tommy of White River, whose given name is Tamo Haynes. Then there was this message to gangsters who are cooling out in Area 2 because of the state of emergency and other operations across the island.
It's not a safe haven. You will be caught. Portland was the preferred location for many of the island's most wanted and persons of interest, who were among some 100 strange men who were displaced from areas that were under the state of public emergency or other enhanced security operations. Many of these persons were arrested and charged in our space, and others were arrested and returned to face various charges from whence they came.